Are you a parent that's lying awake at night, worrying about bills, not having enough money to go to work, not having money to put food on the table, but you are working? There is a way out for you. You can absolutely achieve your goals and your dreams. You can absolutely have enough to make yourself happy and give your loved ones what your heart desire. You can learn new skills on how to run your own online business from the comfort of your home and earn way more. Earn more and work less. If you want to run your own online business, but you don't have experience, you don't have the tech skills, no need to worry about that, because I've got a Legacy Builder program that teaches you from A to Z on how to run a successful business from the comfort of your home. If you want to know more about this business opportunity and you don't want to lay awake at night anymore about worrying about not having money or not having enough to go to work, if you want to start your own online business, drop me a radio in the comment section and I'll send you all necessary information.